Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and play Forza Horizon 6 on your PC or laptop. So downloading this game is pretty easy. For that we have to open any of the browser on our computer. Once you open your browser, then search here Steam. So Steam is a popular marketplace from where you can buy and download whichever games you want. So select this official website. After that we need to click on install Steam. After that it will take you to the download page. Here click on install Steam and then it will download the Steam setup file. We have to double tap on it, go through the installation process and install the app on your computer. After installing Steam, open it, then click on your profile and sign up here with your account. After creating your Steam account, we have to search for Forza Horizon 6 and then it will show you the game here. Select it and then choose any of the edition you want to buy. So we have standard edition, deluxe edition and premium edition. So let's say I want to download this edition. For that click on add to cart, then go to view my cart. After that we need to click on continue to payment and purchase the game on your Steam account. Now don't worry about Steam because it is very popular and reliable site. After purchasing the game we need to go to Steam library and the game will be available in your library. So let's say this is Forza Horizon 6, then you will find install icon here. Select it and install the game on your desired location and you will be able to play the game whenever you want. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.